Today we are introducing the SSB 60F Super VT column drill. Column drilling machines offer flexibility, easy handling, and are an integral part of every mechanical workshop. The large stroke of the work table and its ability to rotate and pivot result in a large work area and a multitude of applications. The clamping table has plenty of space for clamping devices and workpieces. The height of the table is adjusted using a powerful motor drive. The countershaft gear for the spindle speed ranges runs in an oil bath. The highlight of the SSB 60 Super VT is the modern operating concept with the electronically controlled servo Quill feed. All machine functions are displayed on the large 12.1-inch color touchscreen. Its surface is robust and insensitive for workshops. Spindle speed and feed rate are infinitely variable, and integrated software supports the selection of suitable parameters for standard bores. Depending on the diameter of the drill and the material, cutting values are recommended and may be adopted automatically. Only the drill diameters that match the selected speed range are clearly suggested. Both values can also be set and adjusted manually. The drilling depth stop is also set electronically. The selected value and the current position are displayed during editing. When the pre-selected drilling depth is reached, the quill automatically moves back to the starting position. The easily programmable chip braking function increases process reliability, avoids chip jams or continuous chips that can wind up around the drill. The unit of measurement for the entries and displays may be selected between millimeters and inches. The electronics also provide support in determining the correct parameters for thread cutting. The pitch for metric threads is taken from the database based on the nominal size of the tap. In contrast to standard machines, the tap is automatically fed with the pitch corresponding to the standard thread. When the set depth is reached, the direction of spindle rotation is automatically reserved. In addition, the stroke of the table and the coolant device may be activated on the touchscreen. Function and alarm messages are clearly displayed and inform the operator about the operating status. The operating hours counter completes the function. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of machines to help you reach your business objectives. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today.